Let's talk about hacking, a word that might sound like something out of a Hollywood thriller, but is actually a real and growing threat in our everyday digital lives. Every time you go online, whether it's to check your email, shop, or connect with friends, you're putting your digital identity at risk if you're not careful. And at the heart of your digital security is password protection. Think of it as your digital front door. Just like you wouldn't leave your house unlocked, you shouldn't leave your online accounts vulnerable with weak or reused passwords. Everything from your most sensitive banking information to your treasured family photos is locked behind passwords. These digital keys protect your money, your memories, and your privacy. If someone manages to get hold of your password, they can unlock your entire digital life. That means access to your emails, your social media, your financial accounts, and even your private conversations. Passwords are your first and sometimes only line of defense against cyber criminals. A strong password can be the difference between keeping your information safe and falling victim to identity theft or fraud. Hacking isn't just movie drama, it's a real-world problem that happens every day, often because people use weak, easy-to-guess passwords or the same password for multiple accounts. That's where ethical hackers come in. These are the good guys, experts who use their skills to find and fix security weaknesses before criminals can exploit them. They help companies and individuals stay one step ahead. By understanding how attacks work, you can better defend yourself. Learning about the tricks hackers use gives you the power to protect your own accounts and help your friends and family stay safe too. Today, we'll pull back the curtain and reveal how password cracking really works. You'll see the tools and techniques attackers use, and learn how you can outsmart them with a few simple changes. We'll explore powerful tools like Kali Linux and HashCat, break down common attack methods, and share expert tips to help you create passwords that are nearly impossible to crack. Think of this as your personal cybersecurity boot camp. By the end, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to make your digital life safer. Let's get started. Kali Linux sounds mysterious, but it's just a specialized operating system for cybersecurity pros. It's like a mechanic's ultimate toolbox, packed with hundreds of security tools. Kali isn't for gaming or browsing, it's for testing and strengthening digital defenses. Both ethical and malicious hackers use it. The difference is intent. Security experts use Kali to simulate attacks and find weaknesses before real criminals do. It's efficient. Install Kali, and you have every tool you need for security testing. For us, Kali is the platform to run powerful programs like HashCat. It's the Swiss Army knife of cybersecurity. Next, let's see how HashCat cracks passwords. With Kali Linux set up and ready to go, you're equipped with one of the most powerful operating systems for cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers. Kali is packed with hundreds of tools designed for penetration testing, digital forensics, and network security. But among all these tools, one stands out for its sheer speed and effectiveness in cracking passwords. Meet HashCat, the world's fastest password cracker. It's an open-source tool that's become legendary in the cybersecurity world for its ability to break into password-protected systems at lightning speed. When you create a password for a website or app, your actual password isn't stored. Instead, the site saves a scrambled version called a hash. This hash is generated by running your password through a complex mathematical algorithm, making it nearly impossible to figure out the original password just by looking at the hash. HashCat's job is to uncover the original password by generating millions, even billions, of guesses every second. For each guess, it runs the same hashing algorithm and checks if the result matches the stolen hash. This process is called brute forcing, and it's a relentless, high-speed race against time. It's important to note that HashCat doesn't actually reverse the hash. Instead, it keeps guessing, hashing, and comparing until it finds a match. This is why strong, unique passwords are so important. They make this process much harder. What makes HashCat incredibly fast is its ability to harness the power of your computer's GPU. Unlike CPUs, which handle a few tasks at a time, GPUs can process thousands of password guesses simultaneously, dramatically speeding up the cracking process. Security professionals use HashCat to test the strength of passwords and identify weak spots in their systems. On the flip side, cybercriminals use the same tool to break into accounts and steal sensitive data. The difference lies in the intent and the law. The stronger and more complex your password, the harder it is for HashCat, or any password cracker, to break it. Using long, unique combinations of letters, numbers, and symbols can make a huge difference in your security. HashCat is a powerful tool, and like any tool, its impact depends entirely on who's behind the keyboard. In the right hands, it helps protect people and organizations. In the wrong hands, it can be a weapon for cybercrime. Now let's dive deeper and see how a real password attack actually unfolds, step by step. Here's how a password attack typically works. First, attackers need to steal password hashes, usually from a data breach. With the hashes in hand, they fire up Kali Linux and identify the hash type, like MD5 or bscript. HashCat must know the hash type to crack it. Next, attackers choose their strategy, brute force, dictionary, or hybrid attacks. They load the hash file, set attack parameters, and launch HashCat. The GPU churns through guesses, comparing each hash to the stolen ones. When a match is found, the original password is revealed. Depending on password strength and hardware, cracking can take seconds or months. The process is methodical, not magic. 12. Brute force attacks are simple. Try every possible combination until one works. Imagine guessing a bike lock by trying every number. Eventually, you'll get it. HashCat does this with passwords, testing all combinations of letters, numbers, and symbols. The longer and more complex your password, the more combinations exist, making brute force attacks slower. A 6-letter password has millions of possibilities. Add more characters, and it jumps to billions. Modern GPUs make brute force attacks faster, but long, random passwords still win. What was strong a decade ago is now weak. Password length is your best defense. It's an arms race between password complexity and computing power. Attackers know people use predictable passwords, names, words, patterns. Dictionary attacks use huge lists of common passwords and words, trying each one. These lists include leaked passwords, keyboard patterns, and simple variations. HashCat can apply rules to try variations like password 123 or PES duozard. This hybrid approach cracks most slightly modified passwords quickly. If your password is on a common list, it's at risk. Random, unique passphrases are much safer. 9. Rainbow table attacks are a shortcut. Pre-computing hashes for millions of passwords and storing them in giant tables. When attackers steal hashes, they just look them up in the table for instant results. Creating rainbow tables takes time and storage, but using them is fast. Modern security uses salting, adding random data to each password before hashing. Salting makes rainbow tables useless, since each hash is unique. Most modern sites use salted hashes, but older or poorly secured sites may not. Rainbow tables are clever, but salting is their kryptonite. 10. Now, how do you stay safe in a world where digital threats are everywhere? Cybersecurity might sound intimidating, but with a few simple steps, you can dramatically reduce your risk and protect your personal information from hackers and scammers. Start by using long, complex, and unique passwords for every single account you have. Instead of short, easy-to-guess words, try using passphrases, sentences or combinations of random words that are much harder to crack. Avoid reusing passwords, even if it feels convenient. Managing all those passwords might seem overwhelming, but that's where a password manager comes in. These tools generate strong, random passwords for you and store them securely, so you don't have to remember them all. With a password manager, every website gets its own unique password, and you only need to remember one master password. This makes your online life both safer and easier. If one site is ever breached, your other accounts remain protected, because each password is different. This simple step can stop a hacker from accessing your entire digital life. Next, enable two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, on every account that offers it. This adds a second layer of security, like putting another lock on your digital door. Even if someone manages to steal your password, they still can't get in without your phone or a special code. This extra step can stop most cybercriminals in their tracks. Always be on the lookout for phishing attempts. Don't click on suspicious links and never enter your passwords on websites you don't fully trust. If something feels off, it probably is. Regularly check if your email or accounts have been involved in a data breach using services like Have I Been Pwned. These tools can alert you if your information has been exposed. If you discover your data has been compromised, change your passwords immediately, especially for important accounts like email, banking, and social media. Building good cybersecurity habits and staying just a little bit cautious can make a huge difference. Remember, a proactive mindset and a few smart tools are your best defense against online threats. We've uncovered how password cracking works and how to defend yourself. Use a password manager, enable 2FA, and avoid common passwords. Cybersecurity isn't just for IT pros, it's everyone's responsibility. Strong passwords and good habits make you a tough target. When you protect yourself, you help protect the whole digital community. Think of it as digital herd immunity. Take action. Update your passwords, set up a manager, and turn on 2FA. A little effort now means a lot more security and peace of mind. Stay safe out there. 10.